You finally bought a lot and you're now ready to build your dream house? Wait, you need a relocation survey first. Here's why. Hi, I'm Vic, and a relocation survey is an official document that shows your lot's exact boundaries, dimensions, and location on the ground. Think of it as your property's GPS coordinates translated into a legal map. It's prepared by a licensed geodetic engineer who physically visits your site, takes measurements, and creates a detailed plan. Here's the thing, without it, you're building blind. You could accidentally build on your neighbor's land, violate setback requirements, or place your house in the wrong spot entirely. And I'm not exaggerating. Doing this versus not doing this is literally the difference between building correctly and mistakenly pouring your foundation on your neighbor's property without even knowing it. Banks require it before approving construction loans. Your architect needs it to design properly, and the local building office won't issue your permit without it. It protects you from costly legal disputes and ensures your investment is built exactly where it should be. Only licensed geodetic engineers can perform relocation surveys. They use precision equipment like total stations and GPS to locate your lot corners, then install physical markers, usually concrete monuments or rebar, at each corner point. When you connect these markers, you get your exact lot borders. They then prepare signed and sealed documents showing everything. Get it done before anything else, before your architect starts, before breaking ground, definitely before applying for permits. The process typically takes 1 to 2 weeks depending on your location and the engineer's schedule. Costs vary by lot size and location, but expect to invest around 15 to 30,000 pesos. Some municipalities have specific requirements, so check with your local building office. Bottom line, a relocation survey isn't optional. It's your foundation for building legally and confidently. Get it done right. The next step is understanding how to plot your lot area yourself. I'll show you the easiest way to do it in the next video. Click here. You can now plan your house and space after this. Don't skip this step.